On this episode of EatUp Silicon Valley, we're in San Jose near the SJC airport to check out LeanFeast, a brick and mortar meal prep shop. LeanFeast was founded back in Willow Glen in 2015, and we're meeting the founder, Eric Larosa, who has some cool stories to share. The best way to describe LeanFeast is a Chipotle or Subway type eatery, but way healthier. Let's eat up.
What up? We're in San Jose at LeanFeast. This is a brand new franchise that is born in Willow Glen by our boy Eric Larosa here. Eric, why don't you tell us a little bit about how LeanFeast got started?
You know what? We born and raised in Willow Glen, and 40 years here in San Jose. I was a little bit heavier back in the day, and I kind of just wanted to lose some. I kind of wanted to just lose some weight and get healthy. And started meal prepping, and I started it in a really small bar in Campbell. And we opened up our first store in 2017 in Willow Glen.
That's amazing.
Now we've franchised nationwide, and we got one here in North San Jose. They call it the Silicon Valley location.
There we go.
So I was also born and raised in Willow Glen, San Jose native. So this is exciting. I'd love to hear about these San Jose startups, how they got their start in San Jose. I tried a meal prep, never ends well. I always mess it up. Having a place like this is amazing. So LeanFeast, it's a brand that's getting known all over the country. You're saying you have some brand ambassadors and some influencers on board?
We do. We have actually Joe Pavelski,
San Jose
Sharks. He's with the Dallas Stars now. He is opening up a franchise out in Madison, Wisconsin,
Nice.
His hometown. We have Anthony Woods, which is a huge influence just to me himself. I mean, he's promoting us around San Jose, in Monterey, the whole entire Bay Area. The guy's super humble, really into fitness, really into just making your body feel good. We try to place these people that are going to do good and they believe in what we're trying to achieve as a business.
We believe in niches, and Sam, you even have a saying.
The riches are in the niches, and you definitely found a niche here. This is pretty awesome because there are so many meal prep services these days, and a lot of them are online, but to be centrally located in Silicon Valley, like by Bay 101 and the Matrix, It's so easy to come here and get like 6 meals at once.
Yeah.
Is that how many?
I mean, we can make 10 meals in 5 minutes. There's thousands of combinations of meals that you can make, and I think that's what keeps it fresh. You know, I used to meal prep all the time by myself, and I would be tossing the food away Tuesday or Wednesday because I'm tired of eating the same stuff. So
let's talk about that a little bit, because you mentioned that it started because you wanted to lose weight. Do you have a background in entrepreneurship, or what were you doing at that time?
I was a route driver for a linen company, and I would heat up my meals that I made myself. I would throw them on the dashboard of the truck and turn the heater on high.
Wow!
And that's literally,
Wow.
that's literally how it started.
It's a great name, LeanFeast, right? And it's a brick and mortar, like Sam said. There's not many brick and mortar meal prep locations. And now, do you research the different communities? Because you're blowing up, you're going all over the country. Are there certain, maybe like a university demographic, like a younger demographics, the Bay Area?
See, and a lot of people ask us that, but really, it's for everybody.
Yeah.
Right? You know, I really, when I first opened up the first one, we were targeted fitness-minded people only. But then we started to figure out that everybody should eat this way.
Okay, but you have a lot of items here. I mean, you have great menu selection, but you have some pretty cool consumer products too, though. You can get like a s'mores butter.
You don't even need to go to a supplement store. This is your supplement store. You can get your protein, your BCAAs, and what Sergio's talking about, these butters. Like, I guess you just microwave it and it turns into a cookie.
Cake.
Or brownie.
S'mores, you got white chocolate. So you don't even really need it. You could have a cheat day, but you could
feel good about it.
And feel good about your cheat day.
Yeah, absolutely.
How does it work? Yeah, how does it work?
So it's super simple. You come in, you start at we call it the bar, right? You start at the bar. You can pick your protein, your carb, your vegetable. You just move on down the line. Our staff will weigh everything out for you. And you can either heat it up in a skillet, a toaster oven, in the microwave. or in a regular pan.
Or not at all, right?
Or not at all. I mean,
Yeah.
I eat the food cold all the time, especially if I'm on the go. The base, you have sweet potato, cinnamon sweet potato, brown rice, white rice. You have red potato, quinoa. As soon as you have that, 13 different vegetables, 23 different flavors of protein. And there's hundreds and hundreds of combinations.
So what do you say? Should we build some?
Yeah, let's build a meal.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, so you have a plethora of protein options. I love that. I love options. It never gets old. You try something new every time.
Right.
So I see 3 that catch my eye. The first one is that kind of like that Java. Well, which protein is that?
Yeah, that's a Java chili, and we serve it with a lemon wedge, nice and flavorful.
Awesome. And then what do you have right next to that?
That's a Dijon.
Sweet. So it's got that mustard flavor. I'm a big mustard. My pretzels always got that mustard.
You got it. It's got a little kick to it too, a little spicy. You don't like that?
Nice. I love spicy. Okay, and then for my third option, I'm gonna go with this. It looks like a tri-tip that's got a spice rub on it.
Asian tri-tip with a little spice. You got it.
Perfect. Let's do it. Okay, so for my carb, I'm gonna go with cinnamon sweet potato mash.
You got it.
Let's do it. All right, so now we're gonna move on from the base, from the carbs, and we're gonna go into the vegetables.
You got it.
All right, a lot of options. I love this. I'm a big spicy fan, so I see you got some raw jalapenos. I will definitely be getting some raw jalapenos. And what do you recommend to go with what I got? I got a little mix of Dijon.
With the tri-tip, I like some red bell peppers on there.
Absolutely, that sounds amazing.
A little bit of broccoli.
Broccoli.
And some jalapenos.
Jalapenos.
And if you're feeling it, some asparagus as well.
Sounds good. Let's do that.
You mentioned the patty.
Ground turkey patty with pineapple on top. Serve it with some teriyaki sauce.
Ooh, yeah. What's most popular? I'm thinking maybe some meatballs this time.
Meatballs, that's our signature, made in-house. That fireball, you cannot go wrong with that.
Okay, so let's get the fireball, because that fireball is gigantic. This looks great. We have our protein, we have our carb. I guess we should get some like veggies.
Yeah, some mixed vegetables go great on that. And if you can half an avocado go on the patty.
Ooh, I like that. Let's do that.
Now we just gotta heat it and eat it.
Let's heat it and eat it.
Yeah.
Dig it.
So typically when you're serving the food, it's served cold.
Right.
That's because people are gonna take it home, put it in the fridge, and eat it throughout the week as a meal prep.
Good for up to 4 to 5 days.
Prolong the shelf life. But in the case of EatUp with Sam and I, we're gonna heat it and eat it, right?
Do it.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
So the power of networking really works because we met co-owner Matt Sear here from the Silicon Valley Young Professionals years ago, and you reached out to us because you're a fan of EatUp and WhatUp, and yeah, thanks for having us here.
Yeah, honestly, a big fan of you guys. Love your WhatUp and EatUp.
Appreciate it.
Really grateful for you guys to come support us as well. So essentially, I'm one of the co-owners here. We're really, I like to say, we're a women-owned business. Our wives that aren't fortunate here today are the ones that are on the show with us. So couldn't have to do without you guys. Excited to see what happens.
So it's like
Shout
a
out to the wives.
it's like a double date franchise.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So it's husband-wife combo.
Yeah,
on
we're
each side.
both co-owners. The two couples. my
Of
wife.
this location, the Silicon Valley.
Correct.
LeanFeast.
And like as you said, they're opening up all over the country. But you have a great presence, almost downtown San Jose.
So,
Great.
I mean, collectively, each of us, I think, as a group, lost 200 pounds. So it was important
Wow,
for
as
us.
a group.
Yeah, so as a group, we just wanted to we went all in on it. Actually.
Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead and eat up.
All right, let's do it.
Look at that. Looks good.
It's a
This
ground
turkey.
turkey base. When you think of healthy food, at least for me, it's hard to be, you think of bland food. And so what we tried, at least how we got involved in LeanFeast, is we realized there's some spices and flavor here.
This is so San Jose, right? Turbo sauce. Turkey patty. These are both specialty items, and I am going all in with the Hawaiian influence. Oh yeah, that teriyaki is all about that teriyaki. So this teriyaki sauce only has 1 gram of sugar, and it tastes just as good as the original teriyaki. It's fantastic.
Our boy Eric here said, you gotta have the breakfast hash.
Great carb choice.
Great carb choice.
Great carb.
Cinnamon?
That cinnamon sweet potato goodness.
Electric. Yeah?
Cinnamon is so underrated, man. The potato mash with this fresh jalapeno.
What's this we have here, Sergio? Fire chicken?
No, that's the Dijon chicken. So it's
Dijon
got
mustard.
a mustard flavor to it.
This is a good combo. Good job. Good job.
I like
sir.
variety, baby.
Look at that.
Science
Look at all
class.
that flavor. You can see the chili flakes. Oh, it's good. Grilled to perfection.
Wow. So, Sam,
So, Sergio,
you know I'm a sucker for pizza. We've had Tony Gimignani on. He gave
usually
us-
like a flat fish. This is more of like a thick fish.
This is like a Detroit pan.
Yeah,
Right?
except there's no bread. There's no
Brett,
carb.
look at that.
Whoa.
That is awesome. That is a big piece. I'm not going to be able to eat all that.
Cheers.
Cheers. Let's go for it.
That's good.
Look at that juiciness.
Pizza. That's my new favorite way. to
Look
eat
at
pizza.
meatloaf, the pizza topping,
Mm-hmm.
right?
It's good way to describe it.
So this is my style because I like spicy and I love buffalo. And you have peppers, you got your baked jalapenos with your buffalo chicken. We got the teriyaki chicken with pineapple, with red onions, man. Come on. Really? That's amazing. Is that cilantro?
Of course it's cilantro.
Okay, so another thing too is that you can grab one of these entrees, get a plate filled up. It's $7.99. Start off.
Got it.
That's a very good price point. Who says eating healthy has to be expensive? All right, so you were talking about how you lost 70 pounds doing meal prep. Man, you must have an audience that loves you who also has success stories of their own.
Yeah, I mean, like I said a while ago, we try to capture everybody's. Eating this type of food is for everybody, right? A couple come to mind. Our good buddy Bob. He has an awesome success story. He lost like 160 pounds. I mean, thousands and thousands of pounds that we've helped people lose. It really helps when you eat this way. And like we were saying earlier, you don't need to eat it every day. You just got to try to incorporate it into your daily routine. And I mean, there's pounds to be shed.
I mean, it is
Not just pounds, not just weight, right? I mean, just a healthier lifestyle.
bending over, grabbing something,
Anything.
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 Working out's a big part of it, but come on, let's face it, it's all about the diet.
It is, because you can't outwork a bad diet.
Yeah,
You
that's
can
it.
you can eat cheeseburgers every day, but if you go to the gym every day, you're still it's not gonna work.
I've been working out my whole life. I never know how to diet. That's my problem.
That's-
So
that-
now I got LeanFeast.
Well, there you go. There you go. You can come in and you can build 10 meals in 5 minutes. I mean, you can't do that anywhere else, right?
No.
So we really try to take advantage of that. We're super speedy. We try to get the customer in and out because we know that everybody has a time frame.
Yeah.
You know.
Awesome, man. Thanks so much.
Thanks,
Awesome. Good luck.
Alrighty.
Eating clean and healthy is now easier than ever thanks to LeanFeast. It's a no-brainer why LeanFeast is now expanding with shops all over the country. See you on the next Eat Up.